Alright, so let's take a look at SPM year 2019, paper 2, questions number 5. So table 1 shows the deviations from the mean mark score by Nora in a monthly test. The deviations from the mean mark for Sejarah has been left out. So it is given that her mean mark for all the 9 subjects is 60, and we are asked to find the median mark and the standard deviations. So for the first part of the questions, you have 4 marks, and the second part, you have 3 marks. So total, you have 7 marks for this question 5. Alright, so from this table, there are 9 subjects. We have all the marks for the subject except for one, Sejarah. So in order for us to find the mean mark, or median mark, we need to know all the marks, okay, so that we can rearrange it into ascending order, meaning from the smallest to the largest. So before we go for the median mark, we need to find out what is the marks for Sejarah. So can we find out what is the marks for Sejarah from all the information given by the questions? Alright, so we are given the mean mark is 60, meaning the average mark for all the 9 subjects is 60. So the total marks for the 9 subjects will be total marks for all the 9 subjects is equals to, there are 9 subjects, the average is 60. So it will be 540. So when we have the total marks for all the 9 subjects, so we can find out the marks for Sejarah. So Sejarah mark will be (540) minus BM 70, BI 62, Mathematics 83, and then additional maths 41. Sejarah we do not know. Then Pendidikan Islam is 54, and Physics is 38. And then chemistry is 40, and then biology is 62. And all of this, after you minus all this, you get 90 for your Sejarah. So now that we have all the marks for all the 9 subjects, so before we jump into finding the median mark, we need to rearrange into ascending order from the lowest mark to the highest mark. So the lowest mark will be 38 Physics. After that will be 40. After 40 will be 41. After 41 will be 54. After 54 is, I have 162 and 262, BI and biology. So 62, 62. After 62 will be 70. After 70 will be 83. And then the last one, Sejarah, is 90. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we have 9 numbers here. And then let's find out the median term. Okay, so median term will be T n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is equal to 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the 5th term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th term. Alright, so it is 62. 62 is the median mark. And then next, we are asked to find the standard deviations. Okay, so let's write out the standard deviations formula. So standard deviation is equals to square root of summation of x squared over n minus mean square. Okay, we know about n. N is the number of subjects, so in this case it's 9, and the mean is 60, which is given by the question over here. So we need to find out what is the summation of x squared. So in this case, x means that the marks of all the subject, right? So let us use this, all the subject marks, and then we square each and every subject, and then we add them up together. So summation of x squared will be equals to 38 squared plus 40 squared plus 41 squared plus 54 squared plus 62 squared plus 62 squared plus 70 squared plus 83 squared plus 90 squared. And your answer should be 35,218. Okay, now that we have all the information, we can substitute all the info into the standard deviations formula. So standard deviation will be equals to standard deviation square of summation x squared, which is 35,218 over n. N is 9, and then mean square, mean is 60. And your answer is 17.69. So 17.69 is the standard deviations for these questions. Alright, so that's all for now. I'll see you next time.